Okay, here is the roundabout way to get to the video, the sample video that I just made. The reason I say a roundabout way is when I first started using it over a month ago, they changed the settings. So I'm going to go up here to create. I'm sure there's other ways to get to the studio. I'm going to click on upload video, even though I've already done it. This is why I say it's a roundabout way. And I am just going to X out of this. Here is our sample video that we just made. I'm going to change the visibility to public and then publish. And because you created this in the DPS account, students should be able to access it regardless. And then I'm going to get a shareable link. As you can see, there's other options here. Download, edit, etc. If you figure out Studio more, there's other things you can do with it, but that's the basic.